वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल द थ्री सीज। और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे थर्ड टी20। अनफॉर्चुनेटली इंडियन फैंस के लिए बुरी खबर है, लेकिन इंग्लैंड हैव जस्ट ब्लोन अस अवे बाय देयर बैटिंग। और टुडे विल डिस्कस एवरीथिंग वी नो अबाउट द मैच। एंड फर्स्ट अप, coming up summary, and please like, subscribe and share this video to everyone.
तो गाइस, तो आज कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ? आज इंग्लैंड ने टॉस जीता। इंग्लैंड won the toss and decided to bowl first, as every logical team would have done in this kind of conditions. So England won the toss and decided to bowl first, and England just blew away India. India's batting was not up to the par, is what I believe. KL Rahul, another bad season going on for him. And let us take a look at what is the overall condition of Indian batting. What do you think? Was the Indian batting up to the mark?
According to me, definitely not up to the mark. The top three batsmen, Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul, and Ishan Kishan, they were all done in single digits. तो definitely India की तरफ से batting अच्छी नहीं हुई. They need to perform well in their batting and top of the order. मतलब उनकी जो strategy थी कि they'll be explosive from the start, that starting to backfire right now because सब लोग shot मारने जा रहे हैं और edges लग के catches out हो रहे हैं, catch outs हो रहे हैं. और केएल राहुल का तो भाई समझ नहीं आ रहा, मतलब बंदे फॉर्म ही नहीं चल रही. मार्कवुड की बॉल भी बहुत अच्छी थी, वो मतलब एक शार्प सीम होके अंदर आई. दैट अपार्ट, मतलब विराट कोहली, of course, again a very good performance from Virat Kohli. And also today Hardik Pandya was not able to connect the ball at all from his bat, only 2 sixes, that also after a lot of struggle on the pitch. So overall, not a very good performance from the Indian batting side, but definitely it was a target that could have been defended. So some part of the defeat also goes to the bowler's side.
And what about your part?
Yeah, but I would not say it was a bad batting effect. Reasonable था. 160 was a good total. Openers tried hard, but as you can see, मतलब red soil था, ball coming up, good pace, especially Mark Wood bowling in the 150s, around the 145, 150 mark. So good pace, hurried on the batsman. KL Rahul, maybe poor shot. Rohit Sharma, the ball hurried onto him, and Ishan Kishan, same thing. So maybe a bit cautious batting in the start would have helped 170, 180. But kudos to Virat Kohli, handled the situation perfectly, and good help from Hardik Pandya as well in the end. दो सिक्सीज ही थे, लेकिन जो भी था हेल्प अच्छा था, ट्राई किया उसने. लेकिन I would say it was a reasonable batting score, not a bad also. It was a good score, but can be defended.
My take is different. I don't think it is a very reasonable score on the kind of wicket. 156 was not sufficient, to be very honest. And considering that we are battling against the number one T20 side, it was definitely not a score that we could defend comfortably. We could have defended if we had a certain more amount of bowlers, I must say. But the way Pant batted and the run out was very unfortunate, I felt. Virat Kohli, although has played a wonderful knock, Hardik Pandya could not connect. Ishan Kishan went for pulling. Tried to pull. That was not up to the mark. It was overall a performance in which that if you look at it, the earlier way of India's batting where there was most cautious batting, that would have been much better today, I believe. Let's just put that aside and let's look at the bowling of India. All the bowlers of England were bowling almost above 140 pace. And what on the line and length, they were bowling short pitch deliveries, but very good short pitch, which were troubling the batsman really.
So yeah, definitely, मतलब आज के pitch में bounce बहुत था, and the pace from the pitch that they were getting was exceptional. So advantage exploited. England exploited those conditions perfectly, having 3 quality seamers in their side, 3 to 4 Sam Curran also. The 4 quality seamers in their side. They exploited the conditions perfectly. लगातार कंटिन्यूस शॉट बॉलिंग हुई है एंड द कैरी ऑन द पिच वाज सो मच, मतलब भुवनेश्वर की बॉल भी ऋषभ पंत was catching collecting at a chest height, so pitch में bounce बहुत था. So yeah, definitely India's bowling needs to be strengthened. कम है बॉलर्स, 5 ही ऑप्शंस के साथ इंडिया गई है, उसमें से भी हार्दिक पांड्या एक फुल टाइम बॉलर की तरह खिला रहे हैं वो लोग. तो डेफिनेटली वन मतलब बैटिंग में से थोड़ी डेप्थ हटा के एक बॉलर एक्स्ट्रा ला सकते हैं लोग. सो या दैट्स माय टेक ऑन दैट.
बट मेरे हिसाब से मतलब द कंफ्यूजन लाइज क्योंकि बेंच स्ट्रेंथ कमाल का है, प्लेइंग 11 कमाल का है. अब सब प्लेइंग 11 में खेलेंगे तो एक्सपेक्ट अ बेटर परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम देम. कुछ डिलीवर कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे. सूर्य कुमार यादव डेब्यू बनाया, बैटिंग नहीं मिली, लेफ्ट आउट द टीम अनफॉर्चुनेटली. केएल राहुल 3 मैच से 0-0-1, nothing is happening. Still there is no place for someone else to replace him. So there is too much confusion in the squad. और basically जो 156 था, I feel कि अगर someone like Bumrah, someone like Natarajan might be a close match. इससे थोड़ा क्लोज हो सकता था. तो मेरे को लगता है bowling, हाँ, Chahal is not bowling up to his capability. That's what I feel. 40% good length, full length. None of them have been flighted. There's no pace variation. Sundar was excellent. Lekin you need a variety in the bowling attack, which is not, I don't know, which is not being shown up by the bowlers. In the first 320, I can see that. Last match, last match was splendid, but up till then, nothing was working. But this match, below par, I guess.
Do you think the pitch and the time in which exactly did you as a major factor? Because हमने अभी तक देखा है सीरीज में कि the team that bats first, bowls first, is usually the one that wins. That's what the trend been. So is it a major factor? Because considering the last 3 matches, win the toss, win the match. That's as simple as that.
Toss is definitely a big factor in matches, in evening matches especially. But नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम में मतलब ड्यू उतना नहीं आ रहा जितना एक्सपेक्टेड था. ड्यू कम है, उतना नहीं है जितना एक्सपेक्टेड नॉर्मली होता है. सो ड्यू अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इज नॉट दैट बिग ऑफ अ फैक्टर इन करंट सिचुएशंस, क्योंकि ड्यू उतना आ ही नहीं रहा है इस ग्रास पे. तो या इट इज अ ट्रेंड राइट नाउ कि मतलब अभी 3 मैचेस से जो जीता टॉस वो मैच जीतेगा, बट इट कैन डेफिनेटली बी काउंटर्ड इन द फ्यूचर.
बेसिकली ना, टॉस ऐसा चीज है जो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है, ठीक है, बट परफॉर्मेंस इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय यू. तो मेरे हिसाब से जैसे देखो, फॉर ऑल द फर्स्ट थ्री मैचेस, विन टॉस, बोल फर्स्ट. ओके, फर्स्ट मैच, फर्स्ट इनिंग्स लो टोटल, can be chased down. Second match 164, good total, but batting was good. This match 156. So it was an average batting performances that both the teams were batted first in this test series. So performance is something that can be controlled. The toss cannot be controlled.
I have a point there, but you're saying that the performance can be controlled. When you look at it, for the person who's batting first, the pitch is acting a bit uneven and it settles up nicely
Definitely.
towards the end. So the performance is a factor definitely, but it's a difficult pitch in the beginning. As you saw, the ball was swinging a lot in the beginning overs. That's usual, but it was uneven. In between, there were uneven bounce, and there was very good amount of spin in the first innings. In the second innings, I couldn't see a large amount of spin.
That is a good point, but what I feel is that under lights, ball skids on perfectly, comparatively than the first innings. And
First innings is also under lights, no?
yeah, but the thing is that from 7 to 9 p.m., the lights are there, no doubt, because now after 9 p.m. the dew starts coming to play. Luckily, there's not as much as dew as compared to other stadiums because of the drainage system. It's all cleared out fast. Chemical is being sprayed over, but definitely makes more batting easier. That is what the captain has to say, and that is what I believe.
Let's move on to the batting performance of England. It was a very nice batting. Usually we look at it like Jason Roy is the one who hits. This time Butler came into action and even Bairstow contributed with 40 runs.
Yeah, definitely an exceptional batting performance from England side. Butler, matlab tika raha. Butler was from the get go. He was looking to hit the ball out of the park, so that definitely worked for him. Jason Roy struggled, and that showed in his batting. Uh, he was done in by the Indian team in chief, but overall Bairstow also matlab it was an all-round performance from England today, batting bhi, bowling bhi, and Butler giving them so much value in his performance. So yeah, it was a good day for England team, hard day for India. So yeah, hopefully next match में India जीतेगा and the series will stand at a 3-2 for India. Hopefully.
Like agreed to Ankur what he said, but it was a good batting performance, no doubt, definitely from Butler. Aggression from the start. Besto coming in good, and some there was some help also from the Indian fielders also. There were some boundaries that could have been stopped. Two catches dropped. Maybe if those were taken, then there might be some twists and turns, but nevertheless, nothing to take from England. They batted excellently, and that's why they're 2-1 ahead in the series.
Before we end, let's talk about Virat Kohli. Is he back in form finally?
Finally, दो back-to-back innings 70+ scores. मतलब मैं तो पागल हो गया भाई आज विराट कोहली बैटिंग देख के. किंग इज बैक फाइनली. A very good news for the Indian side, and hopefully his form continues, and definitely मतलब कोहली खेला तो भाई अच्छा ही है ना टीम में.
And yeah, King Kohli is definitely back after some disappointing knocks, two back-to-back good knocks. So yeah, hoping that he continues his good form.
And
Okay,
before we end, एक और चीज पूछते हैं. Before we end, what are the changes that you expect for the next time? Is KL Rahul going to be benched, or is it Surya Kumar Yadav is going to come back? What are the changes that you expect?
For me, the change would be KL Rahul out and Surya Kumar in, and the opening pair would be Rohit Sharma and Ishan Kishan.
Yeah, 100% agree with that. And get Deepak Tahar in instead of Shardul Thakur.
So that's a wrap for today, guys, and thank you for watching the video. अगर पसंद आया तो like, share, subscribe कर देना, and we have also opened an Instagram page, so the link for that will be in the description. So we'll meet you in the next video, guys. Take care, bye.
Thank you.
अरे देख बेड पे ऐसे
रिकॉर्डिंग चालू हो गई. अरे बेइज्जती करा देता तू. गजब बेइज्जती है.
आई देख बेड पे ऐसे लेट के बोलियो अरे यार आज इंडिया के खेलने में मजा नहीं आया यार.
अल्लाह माफ करे, बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने दो, बहुत बुरे लग रहे हो. तौबा थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
चलो 5 सेकंड में ना लोग चले जाएंगे, जितने आएंगे ना वो भी चले जाएंगे.
A few moments later.
आज ग्लूकोज ऐसे खाते बनेंगे तो मजा आएगा. बहुत लग रहा हो ना?
हाँ बहुत ज्यादा. टॉस कौन जीता मेरे को नहीं पता. टॉस कौन जीता?
बॉलिंग.
अरे जो जीता टॉस वो मैच जीता.
मजा आया.
The Indian batting was not up to the mark. The openers were done in very few runs. मतलब KL Rahul and Ishan Kishan, the top 3, I guess. They were.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
They were